Welcome back. Last previous class, synthetic fibers and plastics. So it is interesting topic. Synthetic fibers. How many fibers are types? How many types of fibers? Synthetic fibers, natural fibers. Okay students, now we will discuss them some more topics of synthetic fibers. Let us start. Students, yeah. Now page number, synthetic fibers and plastic law. What is synthetic fiber? Already I told. Yes. Take few paper clips. Activity 2. Please open our textbook. Activity 2. Take few paper clips and join them together. Yeah. So paper clip, paper clip, paper clip. These all are joined together like a structure, like a chain reaction. In that braid, each braid is called synthetic. మనం చెప్పుకున్నాం ఆ ప్యాటర్న్ లో సెపరేట్ మెనీ ఉన్న అన్ని కూడా స్మాల్ ఐడెంటికల్ కంబైన్డ్ అవుతాయి. సో మెనీ స్మాల్ ఐడెంటికల్ యూనిట్ మోనోమర్స్. సో ఈచ్ బ్రెడ్, ఈచ్ పేపర్ క్లిప్ is monomer. Many monomers combined together is called polymers. Yes. Okay students, due to this, synthetic fibers are artificial fibers. There are two types. One is synthetic fibers and artificial fibers and natural fibers. There are two types. Now I will enter into activity 3. Yes. What is activity 3? Identifying fibers. Identifying fibers. Now you can do a fiber burning test. Burning. Yes. So unravel several wrap and waft ions. Different ions అనేవి మనకు ఉంటాయి. For example, take a piece of cloth. Listen carefully. Take a piece of cloth and pull out a thread. What happened? Yes, the unravel this thread, it means it is nothing but yarn. So take a piece of cloth, pull out a thread, that is called yarn. So here, yarn to the edge of a flame. దీన్ని మనం బర్నింగ్ చేయడం వలన ఆ ఫైబర్ ని మనం ఐడెంటిఫై చేయొచ్చు. How? If it is smell like burning hair, the yarn is wool or silk. Yes. Say take a piece of cloth, then in that piece of cloth pull out the thread. In that thread is called yarn. This yarn is burning sometime. This look means its smell is like hair. Yes. బర్నింగ్ హెయిర్, మన జుట్టు కాలితే ఏ స్మెల్ వస్తుందో అలాంటిది వస్తుంది. సో దెన్ వీ ఐడెంటిఫై లైక్ బర్నింగ్ హెయిర్. దెన్ వీ ఐడెంటిఫై దిస్ yarn is wool or silk. So this is the identification of fiber in the due to burning test. Yes. Now, if it is smell like burning hair, in that air is called wool or silk. For example, if it smell like burning paper, yes, burning paper. This yarn is burning. Its smell is like what is that? Burning paper. Its yarn is cotton or rayon. Cotton or rayon. Yes, what is cotton? What is rayon? Next class lo మనం చెప్పుకుందాం. Okay, let us start. If the yarn melts in the flame, yeah, exactly. This yarn melts in the flame. This yarn melts in the flame. It is a synthetic fiber. So this example is, it is called synthetic fiber. So example is nylon, acrylic content. So these are identification of fibers. Now first you take piece of a cotton, piece of a cloth and pull out the thread. The pull out the thread means the unravel this thread is called yarn. That yarn sometime burning test means burning. That look means smell is like a burning hair. In that smell you identify wool or silk. And next on yarn, that again you burning. If smell is burning paper, that is called cotton or rayon. So air melts in that flame, that burning test. In that flame burning melts. So in that is called synthetic fiber. So that synthetic fiber is nylon acrylic. So here how natural fibers are obtained and fabrics made from అని మనం ప్రీవియస్ క్లాస్ లో నేర్చుకున్నాం. అంటే న్యాచురల్ గా ఉండేవి సింథటిక్ గా ఉండే అంటే సింథటిక్ గా ఉండేవి మనం యూజ్ చేస్తాం, బాగా చీప్ గా ఉంటాయి కాబట్టి మనం చెప్పుకున్నాం. నో డూ యు నో హౌ వేరియస్ సింథటిక్ ఫైబర్స్ ఆర్ obtained? Yes. Now we will discuss about nylon and what are the properties of nylon. Let us start. Okay students, nylon. This nylon is a synthetic fiber. Yes, already మనం చెప్పుకున్నాం. ఏ yarn అయితే flame లో melt అవుతుందో, in that yarn is decided to synthetic fiber. That synthetic fiber is best example is nylon. So here nylon is a synthetic fiber. Yes, it is prepared from nylon. It is a synthetic fiber. So it is coal, water and air. Okay, nylon, it is a just synthetic fiber. It is prepared from coal, water and air. Okay students, so here it was first fully processed synthetic fiber. Yes, so it became popular during manaki Second World War. Yes, nowadays it became popular during the Second World War. Nowadays nylon replaced silk. మరి ఈ రోజుల్లో ఆ నైలాన్ రీప్లేసబుల్ సిల్క్ ఎక్కువగా వాడుతున్నారు. మోస్ట్ హాయిసరీ ఆర్టికల్స్, మోస్ట్ HOSIERY, హాయిసరీ మీన్స్ అల్లడం, అల్లుతారు కదండి, అల్లుతారు కదా. మోస్ట్ హాయిసరీ ఆర్టికల్స్, వీటిని ఎలా యూజ్ చేస్తున్నారు? అల్లికకి డిజైన్ చేయడానికి యూజ్ చేస్తున్నారు, such as stockings. So nylon is a fully processed synthetic fiber. It became during Second World War. Nowadays nylon is replaced to silk. That is most హాసరీ ఆర్టికల్స్, అల్లడంలో ఎక్కువగా దీన్ని యూజ్ చేస్తున్నారు. సో హౌ ఈజ్ నైలాన్ మేడ్ అని మనం క్వశ్చన్ చేసుకోవాలి. హౌ ఈజ్ నైలాన్ మేడ్? హౌ ఈజ్ నైలాన్ మేడ్? ఆల్రెడీ నేను చెప్పాను, it is prepared from coal, water and air. But how? Actually nylon is a polymer. Already I told monomer means single, polymer means many, two or more, ఎన్నైనా కలిస్తే అది పాలిమర్ అవుతుంది. So nylon is a polymer made of chemical units. Yeah, కొన్ని కెమికల్ యూనిట్స్ కలిగి ఉంటాయి. దాన్ని మనం పాలియమైడ్స్ అంటాం. Nylon is a polymer. So it is what is that? Made up of chemical units, that is called polyamides. These polyamides are made with monomers. అంటే మోనోమర్స్ తీసుకుని మేడ్ చేస్తారు పాలియమైడ్. ఓకే, హెక్సామెథలిన్ ఇది కూడా మనం తీసుకోవచ్చు. Diamine, hexamethylene diamine, and adipic acid. Yes, nylon is a polymer made of chemical units, is called polyamides. Here polyamides are made with monomers, hexamethylene diamine, adipic acid, ఎక్సెట్రా ఎక్సెట్రా. వీటితో వీటిని యూజ్ చేస్తారు. మనకి చిప్స్ లా ఉంటాయి సాలిడ్ టైప్ లో. ఆ సాలిడ్ చిప్స్, దీస్ పాలిమైడ్స్ ఆర్ మెల్టెడ్ అండ్ ఫోర్స్డ్ త్రూ హీటెడ్. బాగా హీట్ చేస్తే విచ్ ఇస్ వెరీ 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 టైనీ హోల్స్. ఈ సాలిడ్ చిప్స్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ పాలియమైడ్స్ సాలిడ్ చిప్స్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ పాలియమైడ్స్ ఆర్ మెల్టెడ్. వీటిని మెల్ట్ చేస్తే బాగా హీట్ చేస్తే అవి టైనీ టైనీ హోల్స్ కింద వస్తాయి. సో హియర్ ద సైజ్ అండ్ షేప్ ఆఫ్ ది హోల్ చేంజ్. Okay, change. So the characteristics of resulting fiber. Here the fiber solidifies as it cools and can be spun. ఎప్పుడైతే అలా హీట్ చేసి ఈ ఫైబర్ మనం కూల్ చేసేమో ఇట్ బికమ్స్ స్పన్. స్పన్ మీన్స్ మెత్తగా ఇవ్వడం. స్పన్ మీన్స్ మెత్తగా ఉన్న ఏంటవి కూల్ చేస్తే బొట్టలు టైప్ ఉంటాయి, బొట్టలు అంటాం మనం అలాంటివి. So then finally nylon fiber is very strong, elastic and light in weight. It is very important. Okay, so nylon is a synthetic fiber. It is prepared from coal, water and air. How is nylon made? Nylon is a monomer. These made with some chemical units, that is called polyamide. These polyamide made with monomer, hexamethylene, adipic acid. So these solid chips of polyamides very very tiny holes. These holes, the size and shape of the hole is changes. After బాగా హీట్ చేసిన తర్వాత దాన్ని మనం కూల్ చేస్తే అది స్పన్ కింద తయారవుతుంది. అండ్ స్పన్ అండ్ వాట్ ఇస్ దట్ మూమెంట్ అంటారు మనం మెత్తగా ఉన్న బట్టలు చేయడానికి. సరే, హౌ నైలాన్ మేడ్? వాట్ ఆర్ ది ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఆఫ్ నైలాన్? సో ఆల్రెడీ టోల్డ్ నైలాన్ ఈజ్ వెరీ స్ట్రాంగ్ అండి, మీరు గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. నైలాన్ ఈజ్ స్ట్రాంగ్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్, నైలాన్ ఈజ్ ఎలాస్టిక్. ఇట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ లైట్ ఇన్ వెయిట్. సో అంత పెద్ద వెయిట్ అనేది మనకు ఉండదండి, లైట్ ఇన్ వెయిట్. సో హియర్ క్లోత్స్ మేడ్ ఆఫ్ నైలాన్ ఆర్ లూస్ట్రస్. ఏ క్లోత్స్ అయితే మనం నైలాన్ తోటి మేడప్ చేసామో అటువంటి క్లోత్స్ మస్ట్ బి లూస్ట్రస్. వాట్ ఇస్ లూస్ట్రస్? మెరుస్తూ ఉంటాయి. అండ్ ఈజీ టు వాష్, దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ సింథటిక్ ఫైబర్. ఆల్రెడీ ఐ టోల్డ్ ఇది. అండ్ ఈజీ టు వాష్, చాలా ఈజీగా ఇది మనకి త్వరగా వాష్ అనేది జరుగుతుంది. సో ఇట్ హ్యాస్ బికమ్ వెరీ పాపులర్. యా, సో ఇట్ ఈస్ లో స్ట్రెస్ అండ్ ఈజీ టు వాష్ అండ్ ఎలాస్టిక్, వెయిట్ లో లైట్ గా ఉంటుంది, బట్ నైలాన్ స్ట్రాంగ్ గా ఉంటుంది, బట్ వెయిట్ లో తక్కువగా ఉంటుంది, చిన్నగా అదే వెయిట్ లెస్, అంటే మరీ వెయిట్ లెస్ కాకుండా వెయిట్ అనేది లైట్ గా ఉంటుంది. సో నైలాన్ డస్ నాట్ అబ్జార్బ్ వాటర్, గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ ఈజీలీ క్రియేటెడ్ ఇన్ నైలాన్ ఫ్యాబ్రిక్స్. దిస్ నైలాన్ డస్ నాట్ అబ్జార్బ్ వాటర్, గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. Does not absorb water. This is very important. So in fact explain many of it uses, but static electricity easily created in yes, it means it is very easy. Nylon ganaka manam veskunte sudden ga firing jarigite it is also easily catches the fire. చాలా ఈజీగా ఫైర్ ని క్యాచ్ చేసేస్తుంది. ఎస్, సో వీ షుడ్ నాట్ వేర్ నైలాన్ క్లోత్స్. ప్లీజ్ రిమెంబర్ స్టూడెంట్స్. సో వైల్ కుకింగ్, వెల్డింగ్, వర్కింగ్ నియర్ ఫైర్ దగ్గర, యూజింగ్ హెవీ మిషనరీస్, ఇక్కడ అందుకుని మనం చూస్తే కనుక పెద్ద పెద్ద ఫ్యాక్టరీలోని యాప్రాన్ అంటాం దాన్ని. యాప్రాన్ అంటే APRON. So these apron during cooking or working near the fire, because that apron is made up of nylon. Nylon is a synthetic fiber. It is prepared from coal, water and air. This nylon is very strong and easy to wash, light in weight, but easily catches the fire. అందుకని ఆ యాప్రాన్ నైలాన్తో యూజ్ చేసింది వేసుకోకూడదు. అదే నైలాన్తో యూజ్ చేసిన యాప్రాన్ వేసుకున్నారనుకోండి, ఈజీలీ క్యాచెస్ ఫైర్. ఎస్, మెనీ ఆర్టికల్స్ యూజ్ ఇన్ అవర్ డైలీ లైఫ్ మేడ్ అప్ ఆఫ్ నైలాన్. చాలా ఉన్నాయి, చాలా ఉన్నాయి. టూత్ బ్రష్ మనం ఎగ్జాంపుల్ గా తీసుకుంటే, టూత్ బ్రష్ పేస్టెస్ ఉంటాయి కదండి, అలాగే టూత్ బ్రష్ బ్రిస్టిల్స్ అంటాయి. బ్రిస్టిల్స్ పక్కనే ఉంటాయి కదా, బ్రిస్టిల్స్. అలాగే రోప్స్, అలాగే ఫిషింగ్ నెట్స్, అలాగే టెంట్స్, అలాగే శారీస్, సాక్స్, కార్ సీట్ బెల్ట్స్, sleeping bags, curtains, these all are made up of nylon. So toothbrush bristles, do you know? Yes. Rope మనకు తెలుసు, ఫిషింగ్ నెట్ తెలుసు కదండి. ఎస్, అలాగే షామియానా టెంట్స్, అలాగే సమ్ శారీస్ మేడ్ అప్ ఆఫ్ నైలాన్, సాక్స్ నైలాన్, కార్ సీట్ బెల్ట్ నైలాన్, స్లీపింగ్ బ్యాగ్స్ కూడా నైలాన్, అండ్ మోస్ట్లీ కర్టెన్స్. సో దీస్ ఆల్ ఆర్ నైలాన్. ఓకే స్టూడెంట్స్, ఈ సింథటిక్ ఫైబర్ లో మనం బాగా నేర్చుకోవాల్సింది ఈ నైలాన్ గురించి. ఓకే, ఓకే స్టూడెంట్స్, నౌ హియర్ ఇన్ సింథటిక్ ఫైబర్ అండ్ ప్లాస్టిక్, దిస్ ఇస్ యాక్టివిటీ 4. హౌ స్ట్రాంగ్ ఈజ్ నైలాన్? కనిపిస్తుంది కదండి. సో రీసెంట్లీ అవర్ గవర్నమెంట్ డిలీటెడ్ దిస్ కాన్సెప్ట్, అండ్ హియర్ rayon, and this one, how rayon is prepared, something. This page total activity 3 means, sorry, activity 4 deleted. And next another page, activity 5. Why do we combine fibers? Why do we combine fibers? Page number 50. This is also recently our government deleted. Okay, ఇక్కడ మనం చూస్తే total acrylic ఈ fake fur ఈ thing to discuss ఏమీ లేవు. Now why synthetic fibers ఇక్కడి నుంచి మనకి పెట్టడం జరిగింది. Now see this space. Why synthetic fibers? What kind of umbrella would you use on a rainy day? Generally, we use a umbrella in rainy day. Would you use an umbrella made of cotton or wool? Guess it. Now, once see this paragraph, we'll learn about 3 different synthetic fibers. How they are different from natural fibers. Let us start. Okay students, up to here these concepts completed. Next class lo marikoni concepts lo మీ ముందుకు ఉంటాం. అంతవరకు stay home, stay healthy. Bye.
Hello friends, welcome to Science for Juniors with me SRK and my lab assistant Binny. And my lab assistant Binny. Binny!
Hello friends.
Why is your dress keeping you so busy today?
Oh Professor, I came by bus today and this dress, see, it got completely wrinkled.
Ah, it is a cotton dress, that's why. Wear dresses of synthetic fiber like polyester, they generally don't get wrinkled.
Synthetic fiber? What is that?
Oh, you don't know about synthetic fibers?
No, Professor.
No problem. Let's learn about synthetic fibers today. Switch on to the virtual world. Let's begin the module on synthetic fibers with an illustration. Diwali is a festival of lights, crackers and sweets. Children are all excited to light candles at night and blow crackers. This little girl is in her best dress. But look, she is wearing a polyester dress. Her mother says a firm no to a polyester dress while the little girl goes out to firecrackers. One should be dressed in cotton dress while playing with firecrackers. Wondering why are cotton dresses preferred over polyester dresses, especially while firing crackers? Let's find out more on polyester fiber in this module on synthetic fibers where we study what are synthetic fibers and characteristics of synthetic fibers. What is a synthetic fiber made of? Let's consider this situation. Mother and daughter are on a shopping spree. They got to gear up for a camping trip, so they need some clothes, a sleeping bag and a portable tent. Ah, the girl likes a pink dress and a blue dress. But the mother prefers the pink one. You see, the pink dress is made of polyester, which is a synthetic fiber. Blue dress is made of cotton, which is a natural fiber. We see that synthetic fibers are cheaper and more affordable than natural fibers. Let's conduct another test of texture of the dress. When crushed, polyester pink dress does not get wrinkled easily, whereas cotton dress does. Hence, dresses made of synthetic fibers do not get wrinkled easily and are easy to maintain. Hence, the smart mother selects the pink polyester dress for her daughter. The next in shopping list includes a tent and a sleeping bag. Both these are typically made of nylon. But why nylon? This is because nylon is highly durable and strong. Next in the list are some warm woolen clothes. Acrylic is another synthetic fiber that is used to make woolen clothes. Acrylic clothes are durable and cheap. To sum up, polyester, nylon and acrylic are all different types of synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are durable, less expensive, readily available and easy to maintain, and hence go easy on pocket as well. So Binny, now you understand what is synthetic fiber?
Oh yes, and I never knew before that polyester and nylon are synthetic fibers.
Science always expands our knowledge, Binny.
And Professor?
Yes,
Thanks for the fashion advice.
anytime.
Next time I go shopping, I will make sure to pick some good dresses of synthetic fiber. I wonder, what is it that this synthetic fiber is made up of that it doesn't even get wrinkled?
Oh, I can tell you that. Let's hit the virtual world and see what makes up the synthetic fiber. What is a synthetic fiber made of? A synthetic fiber is a chain of small units joined together. These small units are actually chemical substances. Depending on the type of chemical substance joining, many types of synthetic fibers are obtained. The various types of synthetic fibers can be polyester, nylon, and acrylic. It's time to answer the question raised at the beginning of this module. The little girl is asked to wear a cotton dress instead of a polyester dress while playing with crackers. Why? Polyester, being a synthetic fiber, can catch fire very easily and melt. This can be dangerous. Cotton, on the other hand, is a natural fiber and will not catch fire easily. So we must always make sure that we wear cotton clothes while playing with lights and crackers. Let's take an example that connects the theory with the real. Which of the two types of clothes are faster to dry? Is it nylon or cotton? Let's find out. For this, let's take two identical pieces of cloth, one made of nylon and another one made of cotton. Soak the pieces in different mugs containing the same amount of water. Take the pieces out of the containers after 5 minutes and leave them to dry. After about an hour, nylon cloth is completely dry, but cotton cloth is still damp. This is because nylon, being a synthetic fiber, soaks less water. Cotton, being a natural fiber, absorbs more water and hence takes long time to dry.
Oh wow! It gets easily dried also. Science is really giving me good fashion tips.
Haha, Binny will be Binny always. A toothbrush. Toothbrushes are made of nylon bristles, which is a synthetic fiber, and that's...
What? Nylon and toothbrush bristle? But why? How does...
Wait, Binny. Take a breath. Let me explain. Nylon is a very soft material. It's good for your gums. It's softer on your teeth. Also, as nylon bristles are very flexible, so they easily bend and get into those little nooks and crannies of your teeth and flushes out the hidden bacteria.
Wow! Nylon is really useful.
All the synthetic fibers are useful, Binny. In fact, there is one type of synthetic fiber, Kevlar, very similar to nylon, which is used to make bulletproof vests. Kevlar fiber has a lot of cross-linking inside it, which makes it able to withstand any kind of force. And that's why it's used in the bulletproof vests.
Oh my god! Kevlar fiber is so strong!
Yes, it is. Anyways, time to learn more about synthetic fiber. Off to virtual world. Let's challenge our brains. What if a rock climber uses ropes made of cotton instead of nylon? The rock climber is sure to have a good tumbling rock fall. Cotton ropes break easily. This is because cotton ropes are not as strong and durable as nylon ropes. So stick to an expert's advice. While on camping, choose tents, sleeping bags and ropes made of nylon exclusively.
I will remember to carry only nylon ropes whenever I go camping.
I am sure you will, Binny, because you don't want a tumbling rock fall. Ha ha ha.
This session is turning out very useful for me, particularly for the fashion tips.
Fashion. Nylon stockings are one of the biggest symbols of fashion.
Oh yes, nylon stockings. I really like them.
Would you like to know the history behind them?
Of course.
Let's find that out in the Do You Know section. Do you know that the history of nylon stockings dates back to 1930? Researchers at a company named DuPont studied chains of molecules called polymers in an attempt to find a substitute for silk. This is known as a marking of the beginning of a new era in synthetic fibers.
Wow! Never thought my nylon stockings will have an 80-year-old history.
Well, it has. DuPont touted nylon as being as strong as steel, as fine as a spider's web. They first announced and demonstrated nylon and nylon stockings to the American public at the 1939 New York World's Fair.
Wow! When did it go for sale?
It was in May 1940 that it first went for sale, and nylon hosiery became a huge success instantly. Women lined up at stores across the country to obtain the precious goods.
My God! I'm sure they would have been a hot seller.
Well, for the first year on the market, DuPont sold 64 million pairs of stockings.
Quite an interesting history, I must say.
Okay, now time for some action replay, friends. So let me hit the rewind button and recapture the key learnings of today's session. A synthetic fiber is a man-made fiber. A synthetic fiber is a chain of small units joined together. Nylon, polyester and acrylic are types of synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are durable, less expensive, readily available and easy to maintain. So, Binny, how did you find today's session?
Well, quite enlightening, Professor, and very, very useful, especially the fashion bit.
Binny, will never change. Well, whatever makes you hear better is fine. Anyways, time for me to say goodbye to my dear friends, but I will see you again soon. Till then, keep exploring the wonder world of science.
Bye-bye,